Good morning. First of all, welcome to FANBANDZ, new monetized platform where content creators can maximize their exposure. Uh, Today, we're going to go through how to get started and touch on some PowerPoints on how to use the website and start earning. So, first, we're going to log in. It's a great way to generate revenue. This is the basic layout of the website. From here, we go to edit my page. You fill in all the information, your username. You have to put a birthday in to change your username. So you fill out all this stuff, just basic profile stuff. You add your category, beat maker, musician, others, right here. You put in your information. You can add your social media links. So when you share content, you can share it to your social media links, um, different social media sites. You can tell your story that goes on your profile. You save that up here to tell you it's been saved. Then you want to go to your live stream settings to set the price for your live streams. These are for one-on-one private streams. You want to click the button to allow private streams. You can set a price for whatever you want it to be, up to $200 right here. And that's for your private one-on-one streams, for private conversations, private tips, explicit content, whatever you decide you're doing in your live stream, streaming your concerts, your live shows, your podcasts, whatever it is that you want to charge for. You save that. Uh, I usually just leave mine at $1 per minute because the price is per minute. So I leave mine at $1 per minute. 10-minute one-on-one call, it'll just be $10. You make it $10. A 10-minute call will be $100. Next, you want to go to your subscription price. There's two things you can do on FanBands. You can set your subscriptions for free and then make a second page where paid content, and you can set your subscription price. And then you can set your subscription price to different numbers: $5 per week, $20 per month. Um, for 3 months, you might want to go $50 all the way up to 12 months at a discount price. Then you save the changes, and that'll be set. You can block countries that you don't want to be seen in. Um, Privacy and security. You can restrict users from seeing you. Here you put in your payment methods. That's payments, people that sent you money, or people that you paid. You know, there's money to be made on FANBANDZ. Those are payments from people, or tips, pay-per-views, um, live streaming private, live stream private, uh, and so on. Then you have your payments received. Those are payments to people. Then you have your payments received here, which is $17, $39, $44, $4.25. You can receive different payments. How the form they come: tips, 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 live, tips, live. There's so many ways to make money on FANBANDZ if you're a content creator. Then you just add your payment method, your card in case you want to subscribe to somebody, or your payment method, and then you have your withdrawals. You know, you need the minimum is $50 to withdraw. Minimum here. I have $41 in the account, so I need to get $9 more to withdraw. Um, then you can sell products. Have any sales? You can sell your products here: CDs, mixtapes, um, different things. You got your drawstring fan band bags, my CD, and that's just a video for example purposes. But you can add your merchandise. Those are the fan band drawstring backpacks. And then you want to go back to edit your page. You can look at your page. You can change the pictures here if you want to change pictures. You can change your background covers there. You can add content from your page here. You can upload media. Or videos. You just click on it, write whatever. Hey, I'm working out today. You can add a zip file, an album. You can set a price for this particular post. $5 minimum, and you can lock the post, and it's only for your subscribers to see.